Hello, I'm Callum MacDougall from Jabra, and I'm excited to share with you how Microsoft is installing Jabra PanaCast 50 video bars in its meeting rooms around the world to provide a better hybrid meeting room experience. We're really proud of the Jabra PanaCast 50. It offers industry-leading professional audio, innovative 180-degree video technology, and a range of unique intelligent features that ensure all virtual meeting participants have a great experience, whether they're in the room or working remotely. Listen now to Matt Hempy, Principal Program Manager from Microsoft Digital Employee Experience, explain how their new meeting room setup was designed to create better hybrid working experiences for their employees.
Let me show you. So we took the table and moved it against the wall and changed the shape so that the people in the room are seated around it, facing the remote attendees. It's like one big circle of remote and in-person people. Content is on the wall, bright, front and center, and much wider. The camera can see everyone sitting around the table. So you've got that same great hybrid experience.